My name is Vansh Patel, and I'm a trauma survivor. I've been an Albany resident pretty much all my life. I went to Deerfield, Windsor, class of 2024. On my graduation night, which was supposed to be one of the happiest nights of my life, I was involved in a motor vehicle accident that completely changed my life around. Within minutes of the accident, my friends arrived on the scene and found the tourniquet we were given in a presentation we had earlier this year at school and immediately tied it on with no hesitation. Without that tourniquet and how he helped me, I very possibly could have bled out before the paramedics arrived. I'm extremely grateful for that, and that's something I'll never be able to repay, but I promise him that for the rest of my life I'll try and do whatever I can to teach future generations what he did to me and how that helped. When the paramedics arrived, they immediately airlifted me to Grady, where I stayed in the hospital for about 3 weeks. I was brought back home finally, and I started my rehabilitation at Phoebe Inpatient. Phoebe's occupational therapy has really allowed me to become self-sufficient with just one arm, but with this new prosthetic, I should be able to do just a little bit more. Going through a traumatic experience like this, it really shifts your perspective on life, and it makes you really question why you want to do the things you want to do. And I think because of that, I've shifted towards aspiring towards medicine. I really hope to focus on physical medicine and rehabilitation, where my journey through rehab should really help me have a personal connection with future patients. I started tourniquet safety classes because it's something so essential yet so often overlooked, because we really never expect things like that to happen to us, but you truly never know, so it's best to just be prepared. I can't change the past and what happened to me, but if I can influence even one person enough to save someone's life, then I think I can look past everything that's ever happened to me. I lost a lot that night. I lost my arm, I lost a friend, but that tourniquet kept me from losing the most valuable thing I had, and that's my life.